Welcome to Upbeat Consult channel, where knowledge meet innovation. In this video, we're going to unlock the secrets behind effective product management, helping you streamline your processes, optimize your strategies, and elevate your products to new heights. To start with, we need to understand product management functionality. Product management is the heartbeat of successful product development. It's the process of ideation, creation, and optimization, all aimed at delivering value to customers. But what exactly does product management functionality entail? Product management functions involve concept generation, market research, requirement analysis, and development oversight. Each step is crucial to ensure your product aligns with user needs and market demands. Second thing is the product manager ability to craft effective product strategies. A strong product strategy is the backbone of any successful launch. It's about defining your target audience, market positioning, and unique value proposition. By leveraging a well-defined strategy, you guide your team towards a common goal, ensuring everyone is aligned and focused on the same objectives. Third thing is he or she needs to be implementing best practices for product development. Every great product is built on a foundation of best practices. This means effective communication, agile methodologies, and continuous improvement. By following best practices, you streamline development cycles, reduce bottlenecks, and create a culture of innovation. Fourth thing is that product manager needs to balance user needs and technical feasibility. Successful product management isn't just about building cool features. It's about understanding the delicate balance between what users want and what's technically feasible. This ensures your product doesn't just meet customer expectations but also aligns with your technical capabilities. Last thing is ensuring seamless functionality. A product is only as good as its functionality. You need to ensure your product not only works flawlessly but also delivers a delightful user experience. This means rigorous testing, user feedback loops, and continuous iterations to make your product truly shine. And there you have it, the key elements of mastering product management functionality. From crafting effective strategies to implementing best practices and ensuring seamless functionality, each step contributes to your product's success. Thank you for joining us on this journey to unleash the power of effective product management functionality. Stay tuned for more insightful content from Upbeat Consult. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated.